Knob Creek. Today, I've got two of them that are both 9-year bourbons. One is a select by the Oklahoma Bourbon Lovers, and then one is just their single barrel select. Which one's better? Stick around and find out. Knob Creek. I love Knob Creek, and I love Knob Creek in an old fashioned. Now this one here is a single barrel reserve, 9 years, 120 proof. Pretty much find this on the shelf anywhere you go. This one is a 9-year select, single barrel select by the Oklahoma Bourbon Lovers. Also 120 proof. So, is there a difference between the two? We're going to find out. It seems like they're identical. I don't know this one. This one just says 9 years. It doesn't give me dates or anything of that nature. Doesn't give me location. That's what I'm saying. This is just their standard 9-year off-the-shelf single barrel reserve. Now the Oklahoma Bourbon Lovers, this one is from Warehouse 1, Floor 6, Rick 73. It was barreled on January the 9th, 2013, and it was selected on August the 12th, 2022. And I just bought it this year in 2023. So this is now 10 and a half, approaching 11 years old, although not all in the barrel. Obviously, some of it's in the bottle. That was a tight cork. So how do they compare? The standard off-the-shelf 9-year fare, it just smells so good. It's not strong, it's not hot, not even being 120 proof. I've found most single barrel products right out of the barrel, they just smell really sweet. But it just smells sweet and caramely. Wow. How about this one? Oklahoma Bourbon Lovers. Smells very, very similar. Maybe a little bit lighter smell. That one has a lot of caramel right as you get it in your mouth. Coats your mouth very well. A lot of oils that you can see on the glass. Got a little bit of heat after you swallow. It takes a couple of seconds for it to really start getting into your throat. See if this one's about the same. This one doesn't seem to have as much heavy coating on the glass as that one does. You can still see it. Maybe it's my lighting. That's got a really good flavor. This one, the Oklahoma Bourbon Lover Select, I think is a better taste, sweeter taste. I get none of the late hitting burn in my throat, down my chest. Got this one, a little bit of a burn in my throat, a couple of seconds after swallowing. Wow, they smell very, very similar. But the taste is just different enough. I can understand why the Oklahoma Bourbon Lovers, picked this one. Got a fantastic flavor. Yeah, that one's it's hotter at the back of your throat. That one just seems to be smoother and a little bit sweeter for me. So again, both 9-year aged in the barrel, both single barrel select. This is single barrel reserve, it says. This is single barrel select from the Oklahoma Bourbon Society. Give them a score. I'm going to, 0 to 100. Drinkability wise, I'm going to give this one about an 85. I don't drink things neat. I usually drink them on the rocks. This one, I'm going to give it a 90. Both of them I could drink neat. Both of them are very, very good. I'm just giving this one the edge because it has a little sweeter taste to me. Both 120 proof, both very drinkable. Oklahoma bourbon lovers, you did a great job. Fantastic bottle of bourbon. That one comes out on top today. Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me here at the Speakeasy. If there's anything that you'd like me to take on a challenge such as this, beer, wine, bourbon, rum, tequila, mezcal, whatever it may be, if you think that you're interested in a couple of things and I can find them, leave me the comments below. I'll try to find that stuff, give you my opinion of it, give you how much it costs, where I can find it. But I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, give me the big thumbs up if you like these videos. And until the next time, this is Scalper, out.